I bowed my head, I wore the ash, I called your name out loud. I fasted long, I sang the songs, I tried to make you proud. But in the streets the hungry cried, the weary had no rest, and all my prayers felt hollow in my chest. Is this the fast you're asking for? To lose the chains, unlock the door, to lift the weight from broken backs, and give the poor what they lack. Let mercy be the offering I bring. Let justice be my worship, oh my King. I saw the stranger at my gate, I turned my eyes away. I kept my bread, I kept my coat, I said I'd help someday. But you were there in tattered clothes, in every outstretched hand, and I ignored the truth I couldn't stand. Is this the fast you're asking for? You're asking for to lose the chains, unlock the door, unlock the door, to lift the weight from broken backs, and give the poor what they lack. Let mercy be the offering